How to change keyboard layout on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any of the latest Samsung S25 series. By default, set the keyboard layout and button on your device. If you want to customize keyboard layout or change keyboard size, check out this video. First of all, open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now search on the general management or scroll down up to general management. Here you can find the general management. Tap on it. Scroll. Tap on the Samsung keyboard settings. Again scroll down. Here you can find the layout option in the style and layout section. So tap on a layout. Now at the top you can select button and symbol layout by default set, or you can select the alternative and tap on apply to choose the layout of button and symbol. Now go back. Here you can see the number key at the top. If you want to hide it, just toggle up it to hide the number key from your keyboard. Toggle on it to show the number key. You can see the alternative character also. Toggle on it and you can find the alternative character on all alphabet. If you don't want to see, just toggle up it to hide the alternative character. You can also see comma dot icon. Here you can see comma dot icon. Here you can see dot icon. If you want to remove, just toggle up it to remove the dot icon. Now get back the dot icon. You can also see .com dot if you want to hide it. So toggle on or toggle up the option to customize the keyboard layout on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. Now go back. Here you can see the size and transparency. Here you can adjust the keyboard size and transparency like this. Long press the middle line or move it like this. You can also adjust the keyboard size like this from left side or right side. Long press middle line and move it like this. So adjust the keyboard size like this. If you don't want to tap on reset to set the default keyboard size and transparency. Also go back. Here you can see the font size. Increase the font size of keyboard. So this is the all customization keyboard layout on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. That's it. Like it, share it.